Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a breathing sequence. This is probably one of my favorite. You have seen me doing that a lot. So I do it pretty much on a daily basis to keep my lungs healthy, to help me open the chest so I can breathe better and breathe deeper. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Relax your hips, unlock your knees. Make sure your lower back stays nice and flat. Just dropping your tailbone down roughly between your feet. Allow your spine to be nice and straight. Relax your chest. Relax your abdominal muscles. And take a moment here to feel your body. How you feel. Checking in with yourself. Let's bring our hands together to warm up the palms. Then go ahead and massage the center of your chest with the base of your thumb. Then change hands. Do that until you begin to feel the sensations coming through. You want to become aware of that area. Very good. Relax. We're going to be breathing in and out the nose. So drawing the hands in, stay nice and relaxed. On an inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale through the sides. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your breath full yet gentle. Begin to connect your mind to your body through your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, full breath in. Easy long exhale. Stay focused on your breath. Lift your hands up, open your chest. Draw your hands back to center, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed. Inhale, as if opening the curtains, drawing the energy into the body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Notice a mild expansion in your chest and the ribcage, creating space for the lungs. Continue to breathe mindfully. Staying relaxed in the body. Simply enjoying every second of this process. One more time, breathe in to open. Easy exhale back to center. Let your hands relax by the side. Here, draw your hands up to open again. On an exhale, bend forward. Drawing your hands to face the ground. On an inhale, draw your hands up to lift your chest open to the sky. On an exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, using the power of breath, raise up. Exhale, go forward. Inhale. Exhale down. Keep your breath slow and steady. Exhale. 2 more. I'll show you the side view. We open up. Exhale. 1 more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Allow your whole body to relax as you slowly draw your hands to your abdomen. On an inhale, allow your belly to expand. On an exhale, moving the belly in towards the lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Guiding all your attention to your belly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel as if your whole belly is breathing. Feel a sense of comfort spreading throughout your abdominal area. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Inhale. And on an exhale, you soften into the posture. You allow the gravity to pull you down. You sink in into your hips, into your feet. Extending your roots deeper into the ground. Relax your abdomen. Then slowly draw your hands in. Take a moment to feel all the sensations within. Welcome any sensation in the body. Sense of warmth, comfort, sense of serenity and inner peace. Enjoying the present moment. Enjoying your breath. Enjoying the now. Relax your hands to the side. Bring your feet together. And finish this breathing sequence. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel good after the session. I hope I help you to take a fuller, deeper breath into your lungs. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button on the screen to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.